Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Denentertainments. Right now I'm in Chuttipara, which is situated in the Pathanamthitta town itself. You can see the aerial view of the whole Pathanamthitta town from here. This is also a trekking point and the most suitable time for visiting this place is in the evening. So let's go and enjoy the views. This 200 feet rock cluster is one of the tourist spots where you can get a panoramic view of the Pathanamthitta town. At the top of the hill, there is a temple known as the Harihara Mahadeva temple. Chelavirichapara, Kachadipara and Pulipara are other hills around Chuttipara. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel Denentertainments, and please don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you won't miss any one of my new videos. I will catch you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.